Throughout all the years of my Blender career, for some reason, I haven't actually taken a good approach towards the 2D side of Blender. You know what? Take a look at this. Oh, what a good day! A good day for 3D modeling. Yeah. Please could you pass me a bottle of water? I feel a little thirsty. Oh, of course, general. What? You made me click 2D animation. Oh, why is it so bright? Put it back, put it back, put it back. Ah, finally. If you thought that was hilarious, I will mention the time that I almost destroyed my computer because of the 2D screen. I was like, what? What's going on? Why is it so bright? Bro, you just mentioned it. Oh, shit. Anyway, in this video, I'll take a good approach to the 2D side of Blender. I've used it before for like any a project that's like stagnant, something like saved, just a trial stuff like that. But in this video, I'll try and make it like a ball bounce. I'm not actually practice this, so this video might be trial and error stuff like that. I might not even make it at the end of it, but I'll try and make a ball bounce. How hard could it be? So I'm just gonna start with a platform, right? That's everything that needs to be done. A platform, then a ball, circle, simple. Oh, that's not a platform. Oh gosh. What? What I'm creating a game? I don't even like this. Oh, now it's all a mess. Okay, so now start with that, and this is your platform. What's this? Okay, now perfect. 27th time, 27th trial should be perfect. Okay. Yeah, it's too wobbly. 28th trial should be perfect. Oh, it's too thin. 29th trial. Okay. Okay. That's kind of okay, actually. Yeah. I think it's actually okay. So I'll put the ball here. Then I'll go to the next. Oh, okay, first, I think I have to separate the objects. Yeah. Or do I? Oh, I'm just trying to go to the next frame. Okay, that's all I've done. What? What? This is nonsense. Okay, 30th time. Platform. Good. Small rock. Even though it's weird. Good. And now our ball. That's to be bouncing. Pretty good. Okay. Now, this is it. Oh yeah, the wild mama said that we're meant to be separating the object. So of course I'll click this, hit P, selected objects, and yeah, I have a feeling like this one's gonna be it. Like, okay, let's go to the draw. Okay, and yeah, move to the next frame. Make a circle. Move to the next frame. Circle. Next frame. Circle. Oh my gosh, I think I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Well, just try your circles to be try to make your circles more look the same as mine. Well, some of them aren't two balls anymore. Okay, 9th and the 10th frame is up. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Hit play. Yes, we made a ball bounce animation, guys, in 2D. If you like this awesome video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it.